I'm going to teach you the most underutilized kick combination in point fighting. The axe to side is an extremely aggressive defensive kick combination. What makes it great is you don't have to be the stronger kicker for it to be effective. Let me show you what I mean. Have you ever tried to axe someone's knee down and their leg doesn't move? This kick combination is designed with that in mind. Essentially, you want the axe to stop on top of their leg so you can redirect it into the pocket. Over, redirect through. The key to this technique is where to aim. So essentially, all we want to do is make sure that our axe goes right in front of their body, hitting the upper thigh, and the side kick is going straight into the pocket. The reason why this kick combination is so effective, even if you're not the stronger kicker, is timing. You want to make sure the axe just misses the body, hitting the upper thigh, creating an opening for you to slide your side kick through. Because this is a defensive technique, you want your opponent to push forward. It works best on rapid kicks. Obviously, having a training partner is ideal, but sometimes you don't have that option. So I'm going to show you how to train this by yourself. Usually, when throwing the axe aside in point fighting, it looks something like this. In this case, that would be wrong. The main difference here is the point of contact. Instead of the point of contact being head level, we actually want it body height. So instead of it looking like this, we want it to look like this. That's because in this case, we aren't aiming head level for the point, we're aiming at the chamber of the kick that's coming at us. So instead of hitting up here, we're hitting down to bring the chamber down just enough to throw the side kick to get the body point. If you hit the head, that's a bonus, but our first priority is to get the kick away from us. We hope this helps. Let us know if you give it a try, and don't forget to
like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.